Last week, Bitcoin closed above the very important 30K resistance price point, which you can see here on the chart. We've been struggling to touch and stay above since back here around May of 2022. The BSI, or Bitcoin Strength Index Indicator, is being renamed to the money line, my preferred tool to try and predict switches between long-term and short-term bull and bear cycles, has flipped back bullish. As we can see, so far it looks like the bottom of this bear cycle was back here in November 2022, when it dropped to around 15K. And since then, we have been on a sideways upward trend, except for this short stint between August 2023 and this past week, when Bitcoin was really boring and sideways trending slightly downwards, enough for the BSI to flip bearish. So what's going on? What can we expect and be prepared for as crypto investors? Well, taking a look at the Wall Street cheat sheet, a chart that depicts the psychology of market cycles, we may very well be here at the disbelief phase, where people think, this is a sucker's rally, when the market cycle may actually be flipping back bullish, where people are still thinking, this rally will fail like the others, when the next phase may be hope, where people start believing a recovery is possible, and as you can see after that, the market takes off. So what Bitcoin price points should we be aware of and watch out for if we are able to stay above this 30K resistance level? Looking back at the Bitcoin price chart, the next level of resistance we may experience is 35K to 38K price points, which we were stuck at a bit back in January 2021 and again in June 2021. And assuming we break through and are able to stay above that level, the next resistance we could experience is here at this 46 to 48K level. We got rejected from a bit back in September and December of 2021 and also in March 2022. And if we break and stay above those, then we've got this 57 to 59K situation here. And following that, we'll have to see how high it can fly because we will have broken through all of those tough price points. However, as always, we must consider all the possibilities with a potential world war on the horizon, continued increases in interest rates, the SEC not budging on Bitcoin spot ETF applications, and other bearish, unexpected black swan events that could send us crashing all the way down to the most recent 15K low, which when looking back historically is not a very strong support level. And the strongest one below it is 10K, and from there down to 7K and 3K. Anything is possible in crypto after all. However, let's assume that we already saw the bottom back in November of 2022, and Bitcoin is able to stay above and go beyond this 30K level.